Hi, I'm Mohan Ajda from Mauritius, and I'm glad to be part of this Commonwealth Award 2021. So let me first present myself. I'm a chemistry educator working at Condé State College, Mauritius, and I have 23 years experience as a chemistry teacher, and I'm also seconded for duty at the Mauritius Institute of Education, working over there as a subject matter expert. I'm also a certified instructional designer and a licensed online facilitator. I'm glad to present this project, Robotics Inside Out, a new approach to combat COVID-19 and enhance creativity in Mauritian schools. Now, first of all, this project originated in 2018 when I wanted to infuse creativity in my students, and it started without electronics. I just happened to guide my students to try to create artifacts, and I was very much surprised by the work that they have done. Now, as we know that creativity is disruptive, so there was no specific guidance, just let the students search by themselves and choose their project. So we had project like a robotic arm that worked with the hydraulic fluid, and then filtration apparatus. It was just something very basic that happened in 2018. And then we move on to 2019, where I was able to discover the Arduino board. It's a small board. In Mauritius, it's approximately 250 rupees. And the magic with the Arduino board is that it can be programmed very easily, and we can use that to make a lot of robotic stuff, electronics, and so on with that. So what happened in 2019 is that I started experimenting with the student about building a mobile weather station, and we use a DHT11 sensor and a BMP 280 sensor, pressure sensor, that was able to measure the temperature, humidity, dew point temperature, real field, cloud base, altitude, and atmospheric pressure. Now, fast forward to 2020, right? At the start of the year, students started to make some electronic devices like security alarm, K2000 LED light, Bluetooth car, and automatic table lamp, and so on. But when we happened to have this COVID-19 pandemic, I just initiated a project that I just asked the student try to develop some stuff that would be helpful at school resumption to combat COVID-19. So very interestingly, they came up with the idea of making an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, a smart dustbin that we intend to use at school resumption. And also I must share that these two inventions, they have been shared through the national broadcaster MBC, which has touched almost the majority of Mauritians, and there has been many teachers and students that have contacted us just to try to replicate this idea of building these electronic apparatus for combating COVID-19 and to prevent its propagation. So what we intend to do next is trying to build on that and disseminate these knowledge to the students of the island, and also, why not, of Africa and the Commonwealth, and make education fun and creative. Thank you very much.